So the lawnmower caught on fire. It's fully engulfed in flame. Holy shit. Oh my god.
The gas tank must have leaked. Man, I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah, me too. Jesus.
Yeah. The gas tank must have leaked onto the motor.
Holy shit.
I can see the gas tank's like wide open. It must have leaked onto the motor.
Oh god, the steering wheel just melting off.
There's usually nothing left of shit when it catches on fire.
Yeah. Holy shit. I was just driving it and Rylan called me, so I figured I'd answer. I shut off the mower, put it into slow, and turned it off. Yeah. And then I answered the phone, and then I noticed the engine seemed a little smoky, looked inside, and saw fire.
Yeah. It's funny, I just took the 2 fire extinguishers away a couple days ago. Now I can't find them.
Jesus.
Here, stand here and do this while I go look for something.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll go look for
So now I'm manning the hose. I don't know. It just got a little spooky over here. Something just, maybe the last of the gas tank. Nothing. Yeah. Trying to.
I guess I'm not. He says, I don't think you're going to sell the mower with the house. And I'm like, I don't think so. Time for the big fire extinguisher. What? I haven't called them, no. If I can't get it to stop, I will. I need the
Still a
hose.
little